up, everybody? Today, we're going to be making a snail mech for Chubby Snail. So, let's go. Okay guys, we're done with the mech. So now, I'm going to be showing you the mech abilities in just a minute. We just have to scan all this stuff. So yeah, bye. Guys, this is the whole result of my snail mech. So you can like move his fingers around. It has grooves on it. It has some lasers to attack. And boosters on the back and flashlight. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and bye.